Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, Primary 5 learners. I welcome you all to Home Economics class. Our today's topic is materials for care of clothing. Materials for care of clothing. We said last week we tried to look at the care and maintenance of clothing. Where we say maintenance of clothes is when we keep the clothes in order to prolong the lifespan, to make it last longer. So today we are going to look at the material in which we can use to care for our clothes. And the materials are, we have suitable cupboard, the cupboard that is very nice. 2, we have wardrobes. 3, we have suitcase. 4, bags. We have hangers, soap and detergents and water. So these are the materials in which we need in order to take good care of our clothes. Now, what are the materials for maintenance of clothing? So when we maintain clothes, it even prolongs the shelf life as well. The clothes that we know that is fading, if we add glue to it, the color will still be shining and attractive. And we should try to be ironing our clothes in order to make it last longer. We should put starch where necessary, and the stain that we have on our clothes, we should be able to remove them with the help of stain remover. So the following are the materials for maintenance of clothing. These are glue, iron, starch and stain remover. See you next class. Bye bye.